Have you ever noticed how every time a new iPhone comes out, people hold their breath waiting to see the price? It's almost as if the features don't matter until we know whether our wallets can handle the hit. And with the iPhone 17 launch just around the corner, that question is bigger than ever. Will Apple raise the price again, or will it finally give us a break? Well, a new report suggests there might be some good news for once. So here's the situation. A week before Apple's awe-dropping event, where it's expected to reveal the iPhone 17 lineup, we've been hearing all kinds of rumors about pricing. Some said the phones would get more expensive, while others hinted that Apple might keep things steady. Now, analysts from Morgan have released a research note, and according to them, the price of the iPhone 17 will either stay the same as last year or only grow slightly. But here's the twist. It's not as simple as Apple just keeping the same price tags. Let's take the iPhone 17 Pro, for example. Just like Apple did with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the company is expected to drop the 128GB storage option. That means the base model will now start at 256GB. So while the price might jump by $100 to $1,099, it's technically not a real increase. You're just getting more storage by default. Now, the most confusing part of the lineup is the iPhone 17 Air. This is Apple's brand new model that will replace the iPhone 16 Plus. It's slimmer, lighter, and being marketed almost like a special edition because it's a fresh design. It wouldn't be shocking if Apple priced it a little higher. Morgan predicts it could be $899 or $949. That's a $50 gap, which isn't huge, but it's still unclear where Apple will land. As for the regular iPhone 17, the news is simple and refreshing. It's expected to start at $799, exactly the same as last year. And the iPhone 17 Pro Max, that should stay at $1,199, no change at all. So when you look at the lineup as a whole, it's not bad at all. Let me break it down quickly. iPhone, $17799, no increase. iPhone 17 Air, $899 to $949, maybe a small bump. iPhone 17 Pro minus $1,099. But with double the storage. iPhone 17 Pro Max minus $1,199. No increase. Now, before we all start celebrating, let's be real. These are analyst predictions, not official numbers from Apple. Prices won't be confirmed until September 9th when the event happens. And given the way the world is right now, with everything from groceries to gas costing more, I wouldn't be shocked if Apple did sneak in a small bump somewhere. That being said, the timing is interesting. Google just launched its Pixel 10 and didn't raise the price at all. Apple knows it's in a competitive market, and while it's not shy about charging premium prices, it probably doesn't want headlines about massive hikes right before the holidays. Keeping prices steady, or at least making any increases feel justified with bigger storage, could be Apple's way of keeping customers happy without hurting its brand image. So, should you be worried about breaking the bank for the iPhone 17? Probably not, at least for now. It looks like Apple might actually hold the line on pricing. And for anyone who's been waiting to upgrade, that's a welcome relief.